What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making cheese stuffed meatballs. We hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, mozzarella string cheese, Parmesan cheese, eggs, garlic, olive oil, marinara sauce, Italian-style breadcrumbs, sugar, grated Parmesan cheese, seasonal, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. We're going to start by breaking up and seasoning our ground beef with seasonal, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and grated Parmesan cheese. Add a half a cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs, a half tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 eggs, and mix. Next, we're going to cut our cheese into blocks. Now it's time we form our meatballs. We're going to take some ground beef, place a piece of cheese in the center, and roll to form our meatball. After rolling all of our meatballs, we're going to place them in the freezer for 15 minutes. While we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and level up this marinara sauce. In a bowl, we're going to add our marinara sauce and season with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, and a pinch of sugar, and mix. In the skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place your meatballs in the skillet. Allow your meatballs to cook while gently flipping them until browned on each side. Once your meatballs is done, each side will be brown and some cheese may ooze out. Add in marinara sauce and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, cheese stuffed meatballs. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.